B. Fill in the blanks with has, have. I have a dog. Rahul has a cow. We have cats. Manu has a parrot. She has a cake. They have gifts. We have toys. He has bicycle.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.